to my channel, Cookie's Kitchen. And if you happen to stop by for the first time, you're so much welcome. Here is a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Cookie's Gang, thank you so much for coming back once again. And on today's recipe, we are making broccoli. Why broccoli? I mean, this is one of my top-notch and the best vegetables that I know, guys. So I'm going to give you, do you know the importance of broccoli? Broccoli has a lot of nutrients, guys. First, it contains vitamin K, which help us with the skin. You know, skin is not just all about the glow, it's also about the immunity. Okay, another thing about broccoli helps with inflammation problem. It also contains some nutrients that are good for cancer patients, those who are cancer. It also helps with our bone, to keep our bones so strong. Please just take few minutes, go and Google the healthy importance of broccoli, and believe me, you from this recipe, you're going to try it. Right away, let's get into the ingredients. And so guys, for my ingredients, we have the main guest of honor, the broccoli. This is how a broccoli looks like. Then with me here, I have some onions. Then this is garlic. Then I have carrots over here. Then these are red and yellow capsicum. This is water. I just want to show you how I am going to be chopping and slicing my broccoli. So first we are going to remove this stem over here. Just going to keep it aside like that. So when this is raw broccoli, okay, so I don't like the stems, so I'm just going to open off like that, then partition it like so, then just dip it in water. So guys, here are my broccolis. The next step, guys, with me here I have boiling water. We don't want to boil our broccolis because we don't want to reduce the nutrients. So I'm just going to add in salt to this water. Then I'm going to add in my broccolis. Please, this should not take more than 2 minutes, yeah? So guys, we are dipping it in hot water with salt because we want to retain the color, but we are not boiling it because we don't want to lose the nutrients. So at this point, guys, I am going to drain this water. This has taken less than 2 minutes, okay, because we want to retain the nutrients. So just drain this water and let's get to the next step. So guys, I have drained the water, and as you can see, the salt has helped it retain the green color. It looks beautiful. So, and on to our next step, in a pan, in a sufuria, add in cooking oil. Then add in your onions. So for this particular recipe, I don't want my onions to cook so much. So at this point, I'm going to come in with my garlic and cook it. And the next step, I'm going to add in my capsicums and my carrots. Give it a nice mix. And so finally, I am going to add in my broccoli. This looks amazing, guys. And that brings us to the end of our recipe today. I hope you have found that informative and you're surely going to try the recipe. So till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye.